Hi, this is Perry from the Hampton Network. How's everybody doing? So let me ask you something. Have you ever asked yourself a question? What's an easy way to optimize and rank your videos on YouTube or Google? If you've asked yourself that question, you then pay close attention to this video because I want to introduce you to a great software tool that I actually use for my videos and my YouTube channel. It's called Tube Rank Machine. So basically, this software tool is for folks, who wants more Google rankings. If you want more traffic, if you want hundreds of your videos ranked, you don't want to spend a lot of money on SEO, and clearly it's for everyone who actually has a YouTube channel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to basically go over this tool. I'm going to go over the more important parts of this tool. There's actually a lot of features with this tool, but I want to kind of go over the main ones. I want to keep this video anywhere between 7 to 10 minutes. It may be a little less, or then again, it could be a little longer. I want to, as you can see on the screen here, this is my channel. This just gives you once you get the software, and you'll need your YouTube API to actually set up your channel. It's very easy to do, and there's also numerous support tutorials, video tutorials within the software that you can do, and you can be up and running in a matter of minutes. So basically, this is my channel. As you can see, I just started a few months ago. So far, I did 18 videos. I have a few hundred subscribers, 15,000 views. This gives you an actual score based on how your videos are actually optimized. It gives you info about your channel. It also shows your channel artwork. It gives you suggestions, and you can see, where you might need to pay more attention. So right here it's telling me I only have 18 videos, so I need to, consider adding more videos to improve my rankings in old and new videos. And it'll also give you more tips if you click there. So it shows your latest, I think it's your latest 10 videos. So you can kind of view info on any of these videos, or you can play them if you like. So let's go ahead on, and I'll kind of go over the software here. So what I'll do is I'll go over here. Let's just show you my videos. You can kind of see that's just a different view. Okay, and right here, it actually gives you your scores on each video. See I put my keyword here. It shows you the date it was uploaded, and obviously the title and the thumbnail. So it shows you your scores here. And if you want to see info, you can just simply click here if you want to see any info on your video. So right here it'll show you your description. It shows my target thumbnail. If you want to get suggestions, it'll show you the duration, the views, and that information. Show you more suggestions. If it's something that you really need to work on, it'll be pretty much highlighted in this pink or red color. So it's actually very useful for your videos, and believe me, it will definitely help you with your YouTube channel. Okay, let's move on to the link builder here. So what this will do, if you need backlinks because they're extremely important to your site, this is a tool here where you can enter in your video URL and the number of backlinks. I have not used this yet, but I'm certainly going to once I determine what I really want my backlink strategy to be. This tool comes with I think it's 2,500 credits that go toward the number of backlinks you may or may not want. So you can certainly use that, and there's also tutorials on all of this within the software. So let's go on to the YouTube title generator. So what we can do here is you click your keyword here. Let's just use make money online. Okay, let's go ahead and use that. And you can also pick your country here. I just typically stick with the US, but you may want to use some of the other countries. Then you just click on Get Title Ideas. So what this will do is just kind of give you title ideas from other YouTubers, and it'll show you the views on that particular title and give you the channel. Kevin David is very popular. I'm definitely subscribed to his channel, so highly recommend you subscribe to his channel if you're not. So give a good shout out to Kevin David there. So this is actually very useful too if you wanted to just get some title ideas. It'll give you the top 20 based on your keyword there. So we'll move on to the description generator. So if you want to This says it'll get a video description from the top 20 videos for your keyword. And you can also download them in one file, and you can, create and mix and match and use as your own. So let's just do this again. So we'll keep it on the United States. Okay, so see right here, so you can download all the descriptions if you like, or you can just, copy just this one description, or you can download it as a text file. You can view the info. You can also play it on YouTube. Okay, so this tool is just packed with so much information that will help you with your YouTube videos. Okay, so now we go to the tag generator. The tag generator will actually help you generate the best tags for your video, and you can use pretty much one single keyword. So let's go ahead and just put affiliate here. Just see what keywords that'll generate, well, actually the tags. See what that'll generate real quick. So you can see here, these are for your tags. You got 110 results for your tags. So as you can see, all the different tags. You can also select the tag here if you want to just copy the selected ones. If you want to download the selected ones, you'll select them and download it. And also, you can download all tags if you need to. So that's actually a good tool you can use to generate tags. So we'll move on to the keyword generator here. So if you want to rank for the right keywords, this will kind of help you out. So you can generate them in your niche, and you can tell what you should target YouTube you want to rank for. So let me just do this. Let's see, make money online. Let's just use that one. Let's get some ideas on this one. So I'll give you all these different keyword ideas here for your keywords. You see in the top 20, it shows you how many times this make money online showed up. Make money online rather showed up in the title. Shows you how many times it showed up in the description, and also in tags. So you can always download this once again, copy. You can check on YouTube. So it's so much you can do with this software. So let me just go to trending videos here and just kind of show you this. Now this, you can select all the top trending videos, and this is going to be across everything. This is not limited to any specific niche, although I wish they would, in this software tool, they would actually let you put a niche in here and just find the pretty much trending videos for that niche. That would be a nice enhancement to this. So you see, I'll just keep this on the United States, and let's just get the trending videos here from YouTube. Okay, so these are the top trending videos, and as you can see, it's not in any particular niche, so you can certainly take a look at this. You can view it, you can get more info, you can download all the titles if you want. I think this is just something interesting that you can check out. Let's go to the video spy tool right here. So if you want to spy on the competition, if you will, for their videos or top videos based on a keyword, and you're going to actually see how competitive that your keyword is. And as you can see here, 0 is very easy to rank, and 100 it's very hard to rank. I'm just going to put in make money online again. And let's keep it on the United States. We'll check that competition out. Excuse me, we'll see what comes with it. It may take a second here. Shouldn't take too much long. Okay, so it shows that the keyword score is 77, so it's kind of hard to rank for. So it kind of gives you this is probably Kevin David again. So you can also get information if you want. And it shows the number of comments and views. It shows you a lot of information right here. Let's just click on this information here and get more information. Not exactly, I knew it was Kevin David. So just give you a lot more information on the video. So very, very useful tool for you. And that's the video spy portion here. Let's talk a little bit about the video index. If you want to get fast indexing for your videos, you make sure you put your URLs so they can index them here, and you also put one per line. That's pretty simple. This is another one that I like. It's called the thumbnail spy. Let's just do another make money online, and let's see what kind of thumbnails it finds. Kevin David once again. So these are, it gives you, to show you kind of the top thumbnails that's in your niche. This is actually very useful as well. So you can You can kind of download these if you want. You can play them, you can view the info on them, but just give you some ideas on, you know, your thumbnails. Okay, and what, what the top ranking videos and what their actual thumbnails look like. And also, one other thing I want to show you, and I use Canva to create my YouTube thumbnails. And I haven't really used this really much at all, but I'm going to try it out one day. It seems to be very easy to use. I mean, they got so many different things you can use here to create your YouTube, the YouTube thumbnails. So, if you pick up this software, you can certainly, check this out. It's actually, I actually love this software tool. So if you like the video, I would actually please, subscribe, like the video if you like it, if you found value in this video. You can share this with all that you like, and also click the notification bell for upcoming videos. I'll have another one tomorrow. And also, I'm definitely going to leave a link in the description to the software if you guys want to pick it up. So I certainly hope you liked the video. Please feel free to comment below if you want. But other than that, you guys have a great day, and we'll be talking to you tomorrow.